Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Okay, so for my video today, it's going to be all about my best friends and Memorial Day. So we are on our way.
I ain't one of your little
Hey, John.
friends.
Oh, babe. I hate you. I hate you so much. All right, so me and John are on our way to Five Below because we want to get water guns and stuff.
Frisbees and a chair and a big ass hat.
Yes. One is on our way to my house right now, so
we're on our way out of here. Ah, see
so
you
we're
guys
gonna
later.
rush over there, and we'll see y'all later.
Of course, I don't know.
A hanging chair. Did you ever grab your towel? Oh, we'll grab it when.
Oh no, but I don't know.
Look at this. Look at this, guys. That looks so uncomfortable.
It's a straw mat for two. We're two.
Oh, get it. Okay, so we just came back from Five Below. We're about to go get our sandwiches.
Sandwiches.
All right, babe.
Shout outs to Mark.
Hey.
She almost killed us.
Okay, guys, so he got these new goggles. Babe, show me your goggles.
I'm breaking them in.
Where are you swimming? Where are you swimming?
Swimming away from these haters.
I don't think you know where to go.
Stop your bullshit, okay?
Did you just... Oh, they have pineapple mango. Ding, ding, ding. That's a winner.
I'm not gonna box it.
Yeah!
I
Shit. Guys, why? Who does this? They do this. Who does this? They do this. You go. Please don't kill me.
Like, oh my god. Look both ways, children.
Always look both ways before crossing the street.
She's a hypocrite.
Guys, so we walk into freaking Target. Why is there like no beer? Where's all the beer? Where? Except Budweiser. Damn, this goes to tell you what beers suck. There's a Heineken though. That beer sucks. Get a third one.
How about you got a third one?
6. He's rude. He's always yelling at me.
Smack this shit out
Yo.
of some ice, bro. What's up?
Stop, because I have mad things in this hand. We could fight.
What's strength? Like, what's up?
Ah, stop, because if it breaks right here, I swear I'm out. I'm out.
I'm walking
Ooh,
around
Capri
here
Suns.
with these other two bags. Like, nope.
Get off of me.
I'm trying to cool you down.
Stop. I am. Stop.
You think if I put it in front of your brother?
I'm gonna smack you. Wow. You think you're funny. Stop.
You're annoying. You're taking advantage of the situation right now. Oh shit, Sherlock. Stop. Hold on.
So it is like.
So today
11.
on Chloe videotapes everything. So right now we're sitting in a car, right, babe?
Yes.
Right, babe. And we're waiting for people to come out the thing so we can get in the thing. And this isn't water. Ah!
You done.
Hold on. Dasani.
I don't think anyone would want that water if that was their reaction. Oh my god. Hurry up! Yo, guys, seriously, we were on our way to get on the highway. People gotta stop for Starbucks. Then we had to stop for ice. Now we're literally about to get back on the highway. And Asia and SJ disappear. They run into Target. Like, we didn't just come from Target. They're for real. They're dead.
You better run to the fucking car.
You better have.
What? Yo, you're my mans. You're my mans. You're my man.
Get in the car.
I think you chose the wrong song.
Nah, that same energy over here too. Hi. They're in charge of the cooler. They're important. Hey, gang, gang.
Hey, gang, gang. Let me say hey to gang, gang.
Hey, gang, gang. When babe says, no, babe, we'll hold it together. Together. They're both holding it. She's supervising. She's supervising.
That's my dog.
Splitting poles.
The muscle. I hate you. I should do it on purpose.
Wow. I mean, if you want to break up this friendship on purpose.
Ain't nothing breaking this
Snakes.
shit up.
Snakes in the motherfucking grass.
What? Excuse me?
Oh, we gotta take a picture here. Not now.
Well,
This is a fire picture.
struggling just a little bit. How's things going there?
This is a fire picture
carry
moment.
this?
What the fuck are you even holding? I just realized. Yo, you know how you finesse something so right? Look. Video meets video. Video meets video. I left my chanclas at your house and
Yeah, I know.
completely forgot to tell you to bring. You have them?
I left my
Best friends, guys.
My chanclas.
Yo,
Yeah.
so annoying. So annoying.
My chanclas.
My chanclas.
What are those? My chanclas.
Get off me. They're haters. Full blown haters.
My sandals.
Full blown
So
haters.
innocent. He was like, "What do you mean? These are my sandals." You guys are wrong.
We're already ahead.
Next,
Next.
for looser ground, such as said, it is recommended that you use heavy-duty ground stakes for more stability.
It is recommended that we use these things.
More stability. Oh yeah, those. We'll see how it tastes. I don't know.
No, it's fine.
Alright, so we got the whole bar going on out there.
I'll
Hey,
tell
with
you
our
this.
sexy bartender. Hey.
Yo,
Yeah.
I'll try to get them fixed before you go to Europe.
I fly around the world cause I'm bossy.
You're so pretty.
Oh, now we gotta
Thank you. You got.
Yeah, no, there. DJ.
This is third time.
Yeah, we need to. Yo, we gonna give people deja vu.
What's your What's your password?
4, 6, 7, 3. Four, 6, 7, 3.
DJ.
Guys, I just broke.
Don't get my
The glasses.
aggravation on video.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Press the Bluetooth side.
Broke
Then
my
the speaker
shit, man.
died. The speaker
I
died.
let you hold something and you break my shit, man.
He was just saying it's okay. He's dragging it for the camera.
Yeah.
You just did the most. What the hell? It's because your foot is bigger. You're OD. That feels really good. Bruh. My other foot, part of my foot is still good.
Take yours.
Okay, so we've been here for like
The family left after
2 hours. I think they probably heard us.
I mean, What if I was?
that
What if I was a crazy
pina
person?
colada?
See, these are things I think about.
Or
You
strawberry
just like
mango.
touch her kid or something. Like,
It's like
why
red
the
and
fuck
I
orange.
did
could
you grab
have
him?
easily just grabbed him and had him like.
Ridiculous.
She wanted someone to watch her kid. That's what she wanted.
They're talking shit about people's children, guys. I
We're
want you
talking
to know.
shit about the mother, not the child.
Rock.
Grab your kids if you're at the beach.
You have to.
Okay.
First of all, how do you
We're
not
not gonna
watch your
get lit.
children
Exactly.
when you're at the beach? I'll be paranoid as hell.
Her
I'll be like,
son was basically
"Get over
sitting next
here."
to me.
Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. There'll be so much more, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and join the Vibe Tribe, guys. Bye.
Blackened.
Oh, I'm still recording. It won't stop recording.